Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making pasta frittata. It's a very simple and delicious recipe and you can use all your leftover stuff from the night before. So, let's start. In a bowl add 3 eggs. Can I do it with one hand? Yes, I can. 1 crushed clove of garlic, black pepper, salt, thyme, oregano, and whisk this together. I forgot to add the 4th egg, so here it is. Whisk and set aside. Now cut your mushrooms into small pieces. Add everything with the egg mixture and make sure you don't make a mess like I did. Once I was done cleaning, I whisked everything together again and added the cheese. When this is mixed as well, add your leftover or fresh spaghetti and coat everything in the egg mixture. Heat some oil in a pan and fry everything on a slow heat. Add a lid on top so everything cooks evenly. Alright, here we go. Add a plate on top and flip it. Now slide it back in the pan and voila, you did it! Fry the other side until golden and there you go! And that's it! I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next and hit the subscribe and like button of course. And see you in the next one.